dolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so wait a minute, because that intro was poochies. Okay. Hey forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. All right, so I have created for you dolls today a burgundy eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and it's right here, you know, and if they want to pop the glitter with some eyeliner, you know. So if y'all want to see the video, go ahead, do me 3 favors: like, subscribe, and share. And by the way, turn on your post notifications so you don't ever miss a video. Like, why would you want to miss one? Go ahead and turn on those post notifications. Get it together. Okay. Go ahead and turn on those post notifications, y'all, and we'll go ahead and get on into the video. Hey forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first off, let me just say how excited I am to be telling y'all about this video. This is the burgundy eye, you guys. I did add some glitter and some eyeliner to make it pop a little more, as you will see throughout the video. Okay, so I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I'm going to be using that to draw on my eyebrows. Remember guys, your eyebrows are sisters. They are not twins. They are not identical. You were not born with them looking alike, and when you draw them on, they still won't look alike, okay? So I'm just following the line of my brow. As you can see at the end, I kind of curve it so that it goes in the shape that I want it to go, because my brows for some reason just did not grow in correctly, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu palette. I'm taking the yellow and I'm going to use that as my transitioning color. Get it, girl, get it, girl, get it. Okay, so now I'm going back in that same palette, and I'm going to be taking this brown, and I'm going to be using that to just kind of blend in with the yellow, so that when I add my burgundy, it just looks like it just transitioned into the burgundy, brown, yellow. You'll see. Now I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and let me tell y'all, I was just messing up in this whole video, guys. And then I noticed that I pointed to the wrong color. I used the color on the side of it, which is the burgundy. If you know the palette, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So anyways, I'm just taking this burgundy and I'm using my crayon cake brush to pack the product on my lid and get it to my desired depth. I'm also taking my Morphe brush just to blend out the harsh lines so that it just kind of fades into the eyeshadow. I took one of my makeup wipes and I use it to clean up underneath my eyes so that it makes it easier and gives me a clean line when I'm applying my eyeliner. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Super Slim eyeliner. It does dry matte, you guys. This is the eyeliner that works best for me, so I recommend you going to get it. It's at your local drugstore. And I hate doing wing eyeliners, y'all, on camera. It's just horrible. I can never get it. Oh, girl, that wing is gonna be fierce. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liner in the color Silver, and I'm gonna be using that to place right on top of my black eyeliner just to make my eyes pop a little more. And this was like so tedious, y'all. I put too much in the beginning, but if you don't notice it, you don't notice it, right? Okay, so now I'm just going to go in and prime my face and get it ready for the makeup that we're applying. I'm going in with my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer Lotion to apply first, just for the simple fact that I do makeup a lot. So my face just from time to time feels rough, so I just hydrate it. And then I go in and apply my Smashbox Oil Primer. The best primer, you guys. The best. Feeling those eyes. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Morphe foundation. It is the matte foundation, you guys, by them, and it is phenomenal. It is the best. And I want to say it was like $16, y'all. $16. And it's full coverage foundation. I'm going in with my NYX foundation brush, and I'm just going to use that to help blend out my foundation. Y'all, this hair was just in the way. I flexi routed it last night, and when I took it down this morning, it was so beautiful. I went outside to go do some errands before I came to record, and it looked like this. Now I'm going in with my Morphe concealer, and I'm going to be using that to highlight underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and above my lip, and my forehead. I don't know why I do it to myself, y'all, but I do it anyway. Get it, girl, get it. I'm pretty sure I was listening to Janae Aiko. It's always the mood, y'all, always. So I'm just spraying my sponge with the NYX setting spray in matte, and I'm using that to apply my powder. Always apply your powder with a wet sponge, you guys. Always, always, always. I cannot stress that enough. Okay, so now I'm going in with my LA Girls contour palette, and I'm going to be using that to just warm up my cheekbones. No, I did not cream contour. For this look, I felt like I didn't need to, so I didn't. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, you guys. This has to be my absolute favorite, most part of the video. Like, favorite. It's my favorite part anytime I'm putting on highlighter. Because, I mean, just look at that highlight. Ah! It's beautiful. It's like blinding. Like, get them shades. Okay, so now I'm going in with my lips. The NYX Butter Gloss. You know, I've been loving on this for the past weeks, guys. I have not changed my lips yet. But this concludes the video, you guys. I thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I thank you guys so much for becoming a subscriber. I thank you guys so much for becoming a forever doll for life. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. If there's anything that you want to see, don't be afraid to drop it down below. Bye, guys. I love you guys so, so, so much.